Hi, I'm Jim McCann, coming to you from Dayton, Ohio, Shopsmith's home and manufacturing plant. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to unbox and set up your new Mark 7. We'll start with a sharp knife and cut these plastic straps. Put the knife away. We're also going to remove these reinforcing strips. From here on out, you're going to need a helper. He'll help take the box off, turn the machine over, put the legs on, and set it right side up again. You're going to use the box to protect the tables on your new Mark from any debris that's left on the floor. Alex, come on over. Just kind of straight on. Now, so then pick up to the flat and then roll it cold sideways. Lay down. Perfect. You can see your new Mark is covered up with a lot of packaging. This small box is full of accessories. They're marked on the outside. The large box in the center. Alex, I'll need your help. You just unload it here. This packaging is just trash. This box has nothing in it. Now the next step is to roll the machine over on its tables. With that, we'll have the machine upside down and we'll be able to put the legs on the base. Now, Alex, grab it. One hand on the edge of the table, one hand on the rail. We want to roll it over, but do not drop it on these back rails. They'll bend. So we want to set it down carefully. Now, blow it up onto the floor. Perfect. On the tabletop, you will see this large yellow label. It tells you to make sure that the guards are installed and aligned properly. Refers you to the owner's manual. You'll also see a caution tag on the plug that explains a little bit about the circuit that the machine must be plugged into. That information is in detail in your owner's manual as well. The next step is to open up our pack-in box, get the manual out, get the legs out. Right on the tab. How to woodworking and your owner's manual. Very comprehensive introduction with history. First section is safety and then parts list. But you as an owner should probably open this box and review section C. Right underneath the owner's manual are the legs that we're going to put on next. Things. These are the legs. Well, it's a good time to have a table handy. We'll just unpack the rest of the knife into spots. These are the two legs. They're called bench ends in the parts list. This is the mounting hardware. I'm going to start by unwrapping all of these goodies and show you what each is. This little plastic bag has 4 knobs, 4 springs in it. Those get put into both ends, both rails of the extension table. These are the floating extension tables. You get 2. The sanding disc has the abrasive on it. It mounts with the hub and the set screw, just like all the Shopsmith accessories see it. This is the upper saw guard, and in it are the rip scales in the bag. Just keep them there for right now. This is your miter gauge with safety grip. Safety grip works well to hold the workpiece to the miter bar. The lathe tool rest assembly with quick acting knobs for easy adjustment. And get the big stuff out of the way. What's it? This is your new rip fence. Raise these handles up so that they're operational. That's the unlock position. And lock position is down. So unlock it. This is our safety equipment. This is the feather board. The expanding bar fits in your miter gauge slots and will lock in place. Your push stick for shoving wood through the saw blade. This is a fence straddler that will go right over the top of the fence and push narrow pieces through. And this is a push block for wider pieces. Has a rubber pad that is sticky and will adhere to the board you're moving through the saw blade. This is the full-length dust collector and shield for the under table shaper. Clear guard. There's a mounting blanket inside here. Hardware and posts. We'll get into assembling that later. Okay. This is the dual-mounted router shaper guard. Also has instructions. In here is also your router check. The hardware, the mounting bracket that goes over your quill, and a brush to knock down the flying sawdust. These are the stainless steel 27-inch long connector tubes. They go inside the rail of the tension and main work table and allow you to float the tables between fixed tables or even outboard. These telescoping legs, this quarter turn twist, they adjust for length, very ended. There's 2 legs and 4 tips. Inside this box are more small parts. This is the hub guard. Goes on the auxiliary spindles. Keeps you from contacting the hubs, but still allows the coupler to connect the bandsaw, belt sander, joyer, strip sander, all the SPTs. Your arbor wrench. This is your shaper and router table insert, and there are starter pins in the package here. Your coupler for your SPTs. This is dust collection for the underside of the shaper and router cable insert, the hardware that attaches that. Your 5/32 T-handle Allen wrench. This is the most used tool in the Shopsmith line. These are 2 gauges for setting the height of the rails on your work tables to the table surface. The way these work, you'll set the table upside down on a flat surface, put these gauges down, and they'll position the rail to the height of to the surface of the table. And when all 4 of those are the same on all 4 tables, then all your table surfaces will be aligned when the tables are connected together through the connector tubes. So this is an alignment fixture. Got a bag full of Allen wrenches, various sizes.
And that'll be a tour boundary.
That's your safety goggles. This is the universal fitting for each of your telescoping legs. These clamp on the top of the leg and then clamp on one end of the 27-inch connector tube. I'll show you how those go together. Late. Now this has your drill chuck. Your chuck key goes with the drill chuck. We got the cup center for the lathe. This goes in the tailstock, and the drive center for the lathe. That mounts onto the quilt. And finally, this is your shaper arbor. This was everything that was packed in all those boxes. Next thing is assembly, and then it'll be time to make sawdust.